How to redeem a GameStop gift card on the app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can redeem a GameStop gift card on the app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to redeem a GameStop gift card on the app, all you have to do is just go ahead and then open the GameStop application. You can also redeem it from the website if you'd like. Then you have to add the products that you want to buy to your cart, so make sure you do that. Then tap the cart icon from the bottom right. Once you tap on cart, tap the checkout button. Right when you tap checkout, one of the options you'll find here is under the payment method. Look closely over here for you can see add gift card or trade-in credit. So when you tap on that option, you'll be able to enter a gift card. Now in my case, the payment option is greater because my shipping address is not entered correctly. So when you find the payment option, you'll find the add gift card option there, where you need to simply enter your gift card code in order to redeem your GameStop gift card on the app. This way you can redeem a GameStop gift card on the app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.